Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hiro here from First Timers. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button on the bottom right of the screen and hit that like. So I just wanted to start out today by saying first off that I am not a professional chef, nor do I ever claim to be. I'm a first-timer chef. I just do this for fun, so I don't want to offend any of those real chefs out there who went to culinary art school and really went into it as their career. For me, I'm just doing this for fun because why not, you know? Especially because I'm be cooking my favorite Japanese dishes. So today we're gonna be doing Japanese Hamburger, which in English is hamburger, but that's the way they pronounce it. But I've already did the vegetables. This is gonna be like the color that's added to the plate. Just green beans, just kind of sauteed it, and some corn, added some butter. I have a pound of ground beef, and I diced, or I think it's called minced, a half an onion and 3 cloves of garlic. I have here 1 egg, salt here, pepper, and panko. We're gonna be adding panko to this, and this is a full cup worth of panko. Once I put them all into this mixing bowl right here, if the texture seems soft, I can add more of panko, but if it's too hard, I could add almond milk or milk if that's your preference. So I'm going to add the salt now. Salt. Pepper. So everything can be mixed by hand. So I'm just going to start with the onions. Garlic, Kiropi, do the egg next. All right, most of this can be mixed by hand, so it's gonna be fun. It's like playing with Play-Doh. Here we go. It's probably gonna get a little messy and slimy, but supposedly this is the best way to mix this together because you don't want air pockets in the beef, the ground beef, because then the hamburger won't take form. It'll just break apart. So give me a minute while I do this. Actually, this is quite fun. I'm probably going to use both my hands. The recipe doesn't call for potatoes. I don't know what it is about potatoes with me, but I feel like potatoes might taste good in here. Maybe I'll try that next time. This is my first time making this, so I don't even know how it's gonna come out. Just wanna mix it really well so every bite has everything in it. All right, so get that, make it into a ball. So what I have here, make it into a ball, and you kind of throw it from hand to hand. To push all the air pockets out. So it's like throwing a softball. So you actually technically are playing with food right now. I watched a video where someone did that, so I don't know. It looks fun. It looks like they're doing something. So I don't know if this is too big or not, but I think you're supposed to flatten it out too a little bit. That looks like a good shape. I think I'm gonna put that there. Get another one about the same size. Doesn't seem as intimidating as I thought it would be. Again, just want to mention this. I've never done this before. Could watch my mom all day, but when it comes to the time where I'm going to be doing it myself, everything I watched, everything I learned goes out the window. So you guys out there, afraid to cook, just do it. Dive into it. In the end, you know what's in it, so it's safer. It's easy to eat out, it's convenient, but then you don't know what they put in it, and you don't know who handled it. That's my motivation. Alright, as you guys can see right there, that's 6. And I saw this person on YouTube do this to them. I don't know what this does. I mean, I guess I could use my finger, but they made like a little indent on the top. Not exactly sure, but I'm just gonna mimic what I saw because theirs came out good. Maybe it's to even out the shape instead of using your fingers because you got a little dip there. The spoon doesn't have a dip. Yeah, I can kind of see the shape coming out. Watch. As you can see, as I'm squishing it down, no cracks on the side. Doesn't look like anything's falling apart. So that's going to be key for when I throw it on the pan. All right, everyone. Sorry, I need to put the camera down for this. But I am on low to medium heat, and I'm going to. You know what? Maybe I could just use my hands. No. One. Two. Three, haha. I know I'm weird, but that was just quoting the count. Sesame Street. 4, haha. 4.5, because that one's small. Alright. I don't even know if I'm using the right spatula. I just got what I saw. See, I am not a chef. A chef would use all the right utensils, everything. Everything is gonna be legit. I am not legit. I am like a backyard mechanic. You could call me a backyard chef. It's for your entertainment. You guys can laugh if you want. It's all gravy. Alright, let's see. I'm just gonna flip one. Oh, look at that, guys. The color has changed. It is holding shape. I think I'm good here. Doesn't look like it takes long to cook, which is good. I am good here. Just checking the sides where I saw it was pink. It is no longer pink. Just in case, I will check and flip them. That looks better. That looks a lot better. Yep, that's the color I want. Yeah. Alright. I'd call that done. Japanese Hamburger. Hamburger. Not much to look at, but sometimes you could, or while it's cooking, you could put cheese on top, cheddar cheese, like the squares, and it'll just melt on top there. I would do that if I had some, but I don't, so it's all good. You can use, for sauce, you can use ketchup, or I'm gonna use tonkatsu sauce, but my dad likes ketchup, so I left both of them out. So I'm just gonna prepare the plate and show you guys what it looks like on the plate. Nice and steamy. Check that out, guys. Yum. That's a wrap, folks. So we got some brown rice, green beans, some white corn with butter, and the hamburger with all the ingredients that I just showed you earlier. Now ketchup on top of it. Missing the sauce, but the texture is right. I can crunch, I could taste the crunch, or I mean I could feel the crunching of the onions. I taste the garlic. So the reason why I wanted to use medium heat was so the edges are hardened and the inside is soft. It's not super soft, but it's good. It's a good texture. When you bite into it, you really taste the texture difference, and then all the crunch of the onions inside. Could be the panko too, but good stuff. I'm happy. Now I'm happy that I know how to make this now, and you know, uploading it on YouTube so I can have it forever. So hold on, I'm gonna get one more. Yes, good stuff. All right, folks, that's a wrap. Japanese hamburger. Good stuff. I'm happy that I made it. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, make sure to leave that in the comments below. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. You could even share this video if you want. I don't mind. All right, you guys take care, be safe, and stay tuned to the next episode. We're gonna be trying to do these videos, these cooking videos, every Monday. So if you subscribe and you want to just see the cooking videos, be aware that they'll be released on Mondays at 12 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. All right, later, guys. First timers out. Peace.